Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix is Marcia. Now, Marcia is in Aruba, as we all know, and she's talking about the crime rate there and how peaceful the country is. She's saying there's just a 5% chance of crime, and it's just petty crimes, as she said. It's just like people breaking into other people's vehicles, but nothing on the magnitude of what she says is happening in Jamaica. She says that it's a beautiful country, and she's imploring the Prime Minister of Jamaica to take a look at what Aruba is doing and try to do the same thing to reduce crime rates so that people could enjoy the country. She's saying that people are able to walk around freely and not worry about who's going to rob them, who's going to, take anything from them, because the country's that good, basically. So it's less of a crime, less crime that is happening against tourists or regular people. It's no one thinking about how they're going to be robbed or, anything on that magnitude. So Marcia is saying it's a beautiful country. It's something that Jamaica should think about and try to work on that, as Jamaica does have a wonderful tourist attraction, basically, and we're able to, minimize what it is in our crime system. So she's saying that we should take a look at that. All Jamaicans, and not just only Jamaicans that are in Jamaica, but Jamaicans abroad and in Jamaica. And also the Prime Minister should take a look at that and make some changes so that our country, Jamaica, can be on top again. She said there needs to be some cleaning up, and that must be done so that people can enjoy the country when they come to Jamaica. Now, guys, go and listen to what Marcia has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And lovelies, for all the lovelies that are having a birthday today, I wish you a happy, happy birthday. And I wish you prosperity, love, joy, peace throughout the year. And also, as today's Valentine's Day, for all the lovers in the year, I would like to say happy Valentine's to you all. And have yourselves a beautiful day.
So, we're in the town. The battery's gonna die, but what is it gonna do? So, I'm at this lovely cafe to have something to eat. They're closing, but by the time we don't walk, we just get a salad and some calamari. That's what, because the other places. But up further, up there, we walk all the way up. So we don't have certain food, but as I said, the nightlife here is what I've definitely come back to Aruba. What I like about it is the fact that you don't have to worry about nobody to pick a pocketbook. No thief, no thief not pick you. This is a tourist place. They depend on tourists 100%. So they make sure that tourists are protected 100%, because this is where their revenue comes in 100%. So in Aruba, Jamaica, take a lesson out of Aruba. Aruba is 95 crime free. Take a lesson out of Aruba, because Jamaica is full of love and beauty and all this something, and it's bigger. Take a page out of the little island here. How did they get it to be 95 crime proof? Is it because said they never gain independence? Them still owned under Dutch same way? So maybe Jamaica should have left it where British rule it, because then British would have a harsher penalty on the people them. So if you never gain independence from England, then the country wouldn't be worse how it is. Then we could have walked up and down in the middle of town any hours a night without worrying that somebody will pick a pocket. 95% crime free, nothing happen down here. Them just have a little petty, maybe like a car get into 100%. And Jamaica depend on tourists too. So try see if you can Hi, hi. How are you? Yeah. So make sure you're looking for me. Oh. So make sure on must can in the next prime minister of Jamaica, who is going to be elected in the future. Make sure you must can take down the crime rate, so you can have something standing in that magnitude. It's beautiful over here. Yes, my dear. And I will definitely coming back. Yeah, man. Yes, I bought this here because Nadine love royal blue, and I wear this here to represent Nadine. You understand? That's why I put on it. That's why I bought this blue wig. I mean, I tell you, Jamaica is beautiful, and it's way bigger. Come on, Prime Minister of Jamaica. Take off Jamaica back off of the radar. Feed them something. Come on. Come on. Take off Jamaica. Put up Jamaica back. Get back the pole up where people are feeling safe. With their Aruba, how much hours in the night? We can't walk around with a cell phone, a pocketbook. Nobody now pick you. Nobody at all. Everybody just walking around just nice and easy like Sunday morning. Everybody sit down in the restaurant and name. I walk up and down any hours and night. Easy like Sunday morning. Anytime the phone dead, me just bring it out. Because anywhere on the strip, don't say get Wi-Fi. The restaurant was closed, but they accommodated me to make me some salad and something. You understand? So that is it. So beautiful. So come on down and enjoy it. Yes, live your life. You only have one life to live. Hi, how are you? Where are you guys from?
New Jersey.
I'm from New York. Yeah. Yes, me dear, New Jersey. Anyway, me I go back to some I'm from New York. I represent no Connecticut. I'm a New Yorker. The people, this is down on the beachfront side, and me I tell you, say it is so nice. So my friends, them, make sure so I get pack on a little suitcase, get in a little days, because let me tell you something. Every chance me get, me I live my life. When me look and see my friend lie down like a casket there, me just want to make sure so me have Jesus. Because without God, we are nothing. And as long as we know so me have Jesus, I mean dedicate my life to him, I enjoy my life and don't worry about nothing. Yes, my dear. No matter what I want to cuss me and say. Yes, my dear. It no matter what I want to say. God is my provider. I will not be for base. Stop bashing Jamaica, country of which you are a citizen. Me not a citizen of Jamaica. Me abolish that long time. It's a birth of Jamaica. I'm a citizen of the United States of America. I love Jamaica, but Jamaica is damn need to fix up themselves. They are one of the #1 Caribbean we always talk about. Me no business what you want to say. Me not bash Jamaica. Jamaica crime need to rot cloud fix up. They have some of the best tourism coming in. Millions. Them depend on the map. Them ever need to fix up them blood clot crime. They need to fix up it. If you ever see, Aruba only have 100 and maybe 200,000 people. Maybe about 50,000 or so, maybe not documented. Jamaica have 3.8 million. And you can walk Aruba any night in a desert tourist area. You can and walk up and down. You don't have to worry about nobody pick you. See me a bus man that pick me? The people them have on them big wedding ring and them jewelry. You couldn't walk in a town with that. You couldn't walk in a Jamaica with that. 95% crime free over here. 95% crime free over here. You ever hear them panic? You ever hear them I tell you about nothing? Why you think so them have too much people here? 95% crime free. 95% crime free. Nice and easy like Sunday morning. Yes, Jamaica will fix up themselves. Have some stricter penalty for the damn thief them. Bring back the death penalty for them. It's just simple as that. Bring it back. Oh, we have bashed Jamaica. If you don't want to hear me, I say come off on page. It is what it is. It is what it is. You have people over here up and down all over. You don't have to worry so somebody will come pick you. If you're there Jamaica, you have to look back and front, front and side. And like, unless you're in the resort and lock up by yourself. But once you go up on the road, you have to clutch on for your pocketbook. See me left my pocketbook over up on the table. Nobody not take you up. That is it. Not a soul not take you up. We left it and gone. You see what I lie me I tell? It is a true fact. We just kill time until it's over. Yes. Now tell me I'm a citizen of Jamaica. I'm a citizen of Jamaica nothing. Me give up the rights there. The day when me go in and sign for my citizenship paper, me give that up. Yeah. That is it. So not tell me nothing. The truth is the truth, and the truth shall set no free. That is it. I love Jamaica, but it is true. That is it. You're walking nice and strolling. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I become a left up a top part and come down so. Beautiful walk. I'm telling you, I have to come back down here for 1 week. So I can't get to enjoy it. I can't enjoy it right now. This is not even nothing. Upper top is more festive. I park all the way up so. This is what I want to say. This is what I want to say. The truth is the truth. I'm a Jamaican. A proud Jamaican. And a United States citizen of America. I grew up in a Jamaica. Me only spent out 9 years in my life in Jamaica. The other rest of me 50 odd years, me 40 odd years, and yes, so me spend it. And me I got Jamaica from me at 16 years old non-stop. Nobody no travel got Jamaica like me. Me know the ins and the outs of what Jamaica is giving. Nobody can tell me nothing about Jamaica because only no invest in a Jamaica like me. And when I'm talking about that, I'm talking about from me used to have privilege from here, Jamaica. You understand? Nobody, if you're looking at it, if you look how much time that I travel to Jamaica, someone not dare to travel. Me used to go to Jamaica 3-4 times a year. You understand? Me spend millions of dollars in Jamaica. Rent a car, this your hotels, giving away and doing. Oh, you're talking about? Me can't chat about Jamaica anytime. I go to Jamaica how much time go walk for domestic raping and violence for children. March and go down there with farm group and go down there. Only not have no talk to tell me nothing. Beautiful place. Beautiful place. Yes. Beautiful place. Nice and beautiful. Don't tell me nothing. Don't tell me nothing about Jamaica. Don't tell me nothing. We can't talk about Jamaica. Don't talk to me about Jamaica because we are in Aruba. Let me take you to Jamaica, Antigua. Ooh, I wanna take you to Culago, Montego Bay. I wanna take you to Aruba, St. Thomas. Yes, that is it. So don't tell me nothing. Anyway, the phone is going to die. When you go on the strips anywhere down here, so you can get Wi-Fi. But I don't get no Wi-Fi. The phone don't work. Me call the phone company and tell them, say, make sure, say, not take my $50. I same thing when I do when I go Europe. Me put an extra plan and it never work. It never work. I video a lot of places, a lot of things, but me can't something there upload them until when me reach to a Wi-Fi. So later I upload them, like when I'm driving on the strip. I'm here. Hi. Who is calling me? Did somebody call me? Let go. Let me see the food. Let me see. That was quick. Oh, looking good, looking good. How much is that?
For everything, 34.
Ooh. Let me take you to Aruba.
You can see the bill itself.
No problem. Here. I think what I got. Amazing. That's what I got. Me get some chicken salad. You say anyone want nothing? You don't want nothing? Yes, my dear. And here me and them. Send back your money, come buy me food, because I'm broke. I don't have no money to buy food. So me I beg you now. Send back the money, come buy food, because I don't have money to buy food. That's how they walk and tell people. A long time I take a stiff drink. I don't take no drink. I don't take a drink. I don't take no. When you can't buy me one drink. When you can't buy me one drink. I want to mean so. I guess me couldn't near me don't have my place here. Then I will cater food expensive. Yes, beg with money to buy food. I don't want money to buy no food. Stream that.